Everyone loves a freebie, which is why organizing a giveaway is a great promotional strategy to get people to notice you. Let's understand why giveaways work and how you can organize one to increase your book's awareness and attract new readers. A well-run giveaway helps you attract new readers, build your author brand, get your book reviewed, grow your email list, boost your visibility online, and drive sales. When done right, a giveaway can help create buzz and help you reach readers who might not have come across your book otherwise. But where should you host your giveaway? This depends on your goal. A social media giveaway is great for engagement. You can ask people to comment, share, and even tag their friends. If you want to drive traffic to your blog or grow your email list, integrating a giveaway can help attract potential buyers. A successful giveaway is not just about the price, it's also about how you present it. Here's how you can structure a giveaway. First, decide what participants need to do to enter your giveaway. Do they need to follow your social media page or subscribe to your email list? The simpler the instructions, the greater the number of participants. Creating a sense of urgency increases engagement. A giveaway that runs for around 7 to 14 days is ideal because it keeps the momentum going while also giving people time to participate. Your giveaway price should also be enticing enough to attract readers. A signed copy is great, but you could also offer merchandise and exclusive content for participants. Without effective promotion, your giveaway might go unnoticed. Here's how you can go about promoting it. Firstly, actively posting about it on social media and using eye-catching graphics always works. You can also run online ads to expand its reach. You can also send exclusive invites to your newsletter subscribers to increase the number of entries. Collaborating with book bloggers and online creators can also help you reach their audiences. If you're running your giveaway on your website, optimizing it for SEO-friendly keywords can help you reach more people. But once your giveaway ends, that's when the real work begins. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Send a follow-up email thanking everyone who participated. Offer a special discount to non-winners. Encourage winners to leave reviews and share their feedback. Post-giveaway engagement helps you build a relationship with your readers, and that's what creates loyal fans. Here are some questions to ask to measure the success of your giveaway. How many people entered your giveaway? Did your social media followers grow, or did you get new subscribers on your newsletter? Did your sales increase? How many people left new reviews after your giveaway? Looking at these results can help you understand what worked and what you can improve for next time. So if your book has just launched, a giveaway might be the perfect strategy to give it the momentum that it needs. If you haven't run your giveaway yet, now is the time to try. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!